Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 98. BUMO. Again, it's BUMO. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is bu, second syllable is mo. Pronounce it with me. It's BUMO. Again, BUMO. What is the meaning of the word BUMO? It means parents. But we also need to use bumonim to add nim at the ending if you call your parents. How do we write BUMO in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable bu, we need to draw first a biyup character followed by an u character. For the second syllable mo, we need to draw first a miyum character followed by an o character. Again, that's biyup and u and miyum and o. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write the word BUMO in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned BUMO. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 88 to 97. But don't forget our word for today, word number 98, it's BUMO, which means parents. The first word for our review is tal, which means daughter. Next word is ane, which means wife. Next word is nampion, which means husband. Next word is halmoni, which means grandma. Next word is haraboshi, which means grandpa. Next word is nugu, and this is used to ask who. Next word is sesangi, which means word. Next word is molla, which means I don't know. Next word is modada. This is a verb which means to not know. Next word is we, and this is used to ask why. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.